Hi, it's Igor Noble, Great Northern Mortgage. So today I would like to talk, is it good to be authorized user on somebody else's credit profile? So let's see, for example, the father and the son, right? So the son is the authorized user on the father's credit profile. So it can be good and it can be bad. So whatever the father is doing is going to be reflected on the son's credit profile. So if the father is paying all his credit cards on time, if the father barely uses his credit cards, if the father has 20 years of credit history, it's going to be perfect for the son, just perfect. However, if the father, for example, is going to miss his car payment and he's going to be 30 days past due, it's going to be detrimental on the son's credit profile as well. So just beware where you're with and where you're with whom you are as an authorized user. Now, I just had recently an example when it also was father and the son was the authorized user on the father's credit profile. What happened is that we pulled the credit and the FICO score was 686. 6 months later, when the son was ready to buy the house, we repulled the credit because my prior credit report was only valid for 120 days. So I repulled the credit and the FICO dropped to 656. When I analyzed line by line what is happening, I've noticed that the father started using his credit cards extensively and over the limit. So that's negatively reflected on the son's credit profile. So what I did, I removed the son from the father's credit profile. There is no more authorized user. And guess what? The son's credit score went up to 706. So good stuff, I know. So any questions, call me. You know that it's, if you need to increase your kids, for example, I have 3 kids. So what I did is that I added all my kids to my profile and then as authorized users. So they all have credit cards, but I keep their credit cards in my pocket. So their credit score also right now very good because I pay on time. My FICO score is 800. So they benefit from whatever like how I pay my bills, right? So it's a good stuff. But just remember who you're with to make sure that your credit score will not be negatively affected when the time is going to come to buy your house. And also bear in mind that if your kids going to buy the property and the only accounts they have is just authorized user, it's not going to be enough for the lending purposes for them to buy the property. They need to have their own accounts, their own credit cards. So any questions, call me. My phone number 877 Igor Noble. I'm going to answer all your questions. There are a lot of questions and we have a lot of knowledge. Okay, so call us 877 Igor Noble. Deal with happy people. Bye.